everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some Gorilla Tag, Monkey on the Shelf. And before we get started, please like and subscribe, and let's get going. What do you delete, Lava Monkey?
Subscribe.
That thing? Okay. I'm going to do it easy right now, and then do this. Ow! Ow! I still made it. No, I still made it. No, I did this. I hit the... And that's like a safe area. That's also a safe area. When you get behind both, you delete that. Okay, now I have no choice to do that. He deleted that.
He deleted that. Touch the floor, man. Boy, you touched the floor.
Bro, he already touched the mirror though. Okay, what do you delete?
Yeah. If you touch the floor, delete these two.
What's these two?
Oh. I delete this actually.
Really, just cut me off, right?
What?
Ow! 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 Wait! Ow!
Move out my way! Move out my way, Lava Monkey! Lava Monkey, move! Move! I'm trying to do this. Right? Hey, viewers, like and subscribe.
Bro, I'm about to get over here.
Okay, no! Bro!
Okay, you won. You
I
won.
already did it. Yeah, I win! I already did it.
Okay, just restart. Live with it. Just live with it.
Hey.
What do you delete? Bruh, you really... Bro, I'm stuck.
That's what I delete this.
Bruh, you really just cut off my whole way of business.
Sorry.
Oh no, my hand.
I touched the mirror. Be careful. Dude.
I did not touch it. You cannot say that. I did not touch it. Touch the mirror.
I delete this.
But you already...
But you still have a chance. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Oh, wait, didn't we? Oh, really hard?
No, this is a safe area. That's a safe area.
Okay, I think I know the perfect thing to delete. I'm deleting this. Oh, you got to be serious. I think I might be able to do this. Don't block that. Wait a second.
I'm following this kid. Oh no.
Just try something. What? Well, you deleted that, right? I deleted this, but you can still go on the mannequin heads.
Bruh.
Okay, so then that's exactly what I needed. I touched the mirror. I never said that can't. Hey, what are you doing?
What? That?
Touch the mirror. It's not fair. Okay, you know what you're leading next? Everything on there? Every single last thing on this.
Wait, did you delete that?
This is the risk. This is literally the
No,
only
the
thing
thing next to it.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
No, I did delete this one.
Bruh!
This is like the only thing we can really do. I said I did. This is gonna be... What the... Dude, I did it! Oh my god, I did it! I did it!
Oh! I went through the wall! I literally went through the wall! Dude, let me show you real quick. Let me show you real quick what I did. Let me show you. So I was over here. I did this. And then I did this. And it like went totally through. It went like this. And then... Okay, coming back. This is so cool.
He can't get back on the shelf. He's not allowed to.
Okay, what do you delete next? What do you delete next?
Okay, come on. Okay,
You already delete. Wait, can you still touch the heads?
Delete this one. The heads?
Yeah.
You already deleted that. You already deleted that one. No, I said I deleted this one, not this one.
Wait, so I can land on that one?
If you have a chance, you can land on the heads. Oh, dude!
Dude, this is just a test. Dude, don't tag me if I get this fail. This is just a test real quick. Never mind, it's not test anymore. It's not test anymore.
let's go.
If I can do the 1 in a million.
There's no way.
Does that count?
Hey.
Hey, yo.
Let me see it.
Dude, that did not count. Did not count. It only counts if it only counts if my hands actually touch it, I thought.
Okay.
Okay.
What should I delete next? I think I know what I'm deleting. This.
But there's actually no
That's
possible.
easy. That's easy. Yes, there is.
Bro.
Yeah, bro.
Ah! Nope. Okay, just tag me. Just tag me. Wait, was that? Wait, I thought the wall that wasn't deleted.
Wait, was that deleted? This one. Yeah, he deleted both walls. No, I'm tagging you.
Blue, you won!
Don't
Congratulations!
tag me. I want to see how far I can go. I want it.
But no, you're not, dude. I'm not having time for that. My headset's about to die.
Wait, can we play Color Rush? Can we play Color Rush?
No, dude. We're playing one more round.
Color Rush?
We're playing one more round.
Color Rush. Want to play Color Rush? Color Rush. I shall delete this and everything on it.
All I know.
I touched the mirror.
Touch the mirror. Hey!
I saw that.
Hey! Oh no! Headset power
I will
low.
delete this. I will delete this. Delete this.
Hey!
Red?
Don't you?
Come on. Yeah. Go, Red. Go. Move out of his way, Lava. Come on, go. Oh, my dear Lord. Oh.
Oh! Wait, did I do my turn?
Okay, no, I shall delete
Wait, did I
this
do
and
my?
everything on it.
Wait, did you delete that?
No.
That?
Wait. Yeah, I deleted this, yeah.
How about that?
No. I deleted this, that, and this. That's it.
Oh.
Oh, yes, go for my strategy, Lava. Why am I calling you Lava? You aren't Lava. Wait, no. Hey, Lava, you have to go back. You gotta be serious. You gotta be serious.
Bro, if you can do that, dude, just do this.
do it.
Honestly.
Next. Wait, he hasn't made it yet. Get back up. No,
Okay.
Red hasn't done it yet. Red hasn't done it yet, so he still has to do it. Oh, he never did. Bro. Up. You win. They keep moving into me.
Hey, yo.
Okay, come on.
Okay,
let's
dude,
go.
this is my. Okay, I have to wrap this up after one of these games, or else my headset's going to actually die.
Okay, wait, I thought you said one more game and then Color Rush.
No, this is the last game.
Want to play Color Rush? Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's just play
Deleting
Color
this.
Rush. Let's just. Okay.
I'm deleting-
Okay.
he's
Okay, you
deleting that.
delete that. I'm so glad I learned how to elevator.
Oh my god! How? Come here.
Hey.
Just a boy. I didn't.
Hey.
Dude, look, this is what I did. I'm gonna. You went right here and touched the floor. You touched
No, that's
the
a
floor, you
safe
did.
area. That's a safe area.
You touched the floor. Why'd you tag me, bro?
Dude, I don't have time to do this.
God, bro.
Just
Okay,
live
come
with
on.
it.
Delete something.
Or did you delete?
Bro, delete something. This. I said that. This looks kind of okay.
But you can't delete
He
two.
deleted both walls.
Bro.
Oh yes.
Oh!
My strategy, fellows.
Oh, shoot.
Red.
Who?
Red.
Right foot,
Red.
please.
I didn't touch the floor, man. I didn't You're lucky. You're lucky. I'm a merciful man.
Yeah.
I'm deleting. I know the perfect game. I'm deleting this. Oh my lord.
What
I'm
did you-
deleting this tail. Come here. I'm deleting this tail. So that means you only have this tail. Yep. Hey,
That was a safe area. Look, I did this. After those, and that's a safe area.
Yeah, he fell like around here. Dude, go. was inside the safe area.
Okay, I'm deleting. I'm deleting.
But me and Red are lasting forever.
I'm deleting this thing. I'm deleting this thing.
He deleted both chair thingamabobs.
Bruh, how are we even
Deleting
playing?
both chairs.
You know what? I think the only way of winning is actually just trying to just
impossible.
do. It is. It's possible. It's possible. Look.
I
Wait,
just
no.
made it.
How?
What the heck? Now I have to see.
See,
Wait.
Look, guys. Look. It's possible. See, look.
Oh, wait.
Possible.
Wait, let me see.
Okay, come on.
Wait, no, I'm not stopping until I see. Okay, dude, this is the last game. No, dude, don't even live with it. This is the last game or before my headset dies. Oh no, I have to wrap this up now. Hello, bye everybody, and I will see you in the next video.
I deleted this.
Bye everybody, have a great